Hi and welcome back. In the previous video, we set up the Zoho FSM and Zoho Desk integration. Now let's see how this works in real time. Say a ticket is created in Zoho Desk and you realize that field service is required for that ticket. In this case, you can simply switch to the Zoho FSM tab. From here, you can create a request, estimate or a work order. For this example, let me show you how to create a request. Under the request tab, click create, or from the create button, you'll have the option to create an estimate, request or a work order. For now, I'm choosing request. Here, the fields that you mapped in conversion field mapping will be pre-populated, or else you can add details for each record. The summary will be the subject of your ticket, which can also be edited. Set the priority, due date, verify company contact details, fill in service and billing address, set the preferred dates and time, and finally click save. Once the record is created, you'll be able to redirect to Zoho FSM by clicking on the record. On the FSM side, any record that's created from Zoho Desk will have a Zoho Desk information section in the left panel. This shows the related Zoho Desk ticket number and you can use it to quickly navigate back to the ticket in Zoho Desk. Also, any notes and attachments added here will also reflect back to the original ticket. Now that we've converted a ticket into a request, we can also convert this request into an estimate or a work order. Let's see how to do that. Click on more options. From here, you can choose either convert to estimate or convert to work order depending on what you want to do. For this example, I'm choosing convert to work order. Basic fields like summary, contact details are mapped automatically. We'll just need to fill in the services and parts. Once done, click save. To create a request, an estimate or a work order in Zoho Desk, we need to have the same customer data available in both the systems. This can be done by either linking or pushing customer records. Let's understand what linking and pushing mean. When a customer record exists in Zoho Desk but not in Zoho FSM, request, estimate or a work order cannot be created because Desk won't be able to create a record for a customer who does not exist in FSM. In this case, we choose to push. When we choose push, the customer record from Zoho Desk is pushed into Zoho FSM. In another scenario, the same customer record may already exist in both Zoho Desk and Zoho FSM, but the system won't automatically recognize that they refer to the same customer. In such cases, we use link to connect the customer records between both the systems manually. Let's see how to do this. Now, to create a request or an estimate or a work order in Zoho Desk, you need to have the same customer information linked between Zoho Desk and Zoho FSM. This can be either done by linking an existing FSM customer from Desk, or a Desk customer can be created in FSM directly from Desk. Let's see how to do this. Please note that for contacts that has been associated with an account, you need to first link an account and then link the contact. So, go to Accounts, open the account, Navigate to the FSM tab. Select the account. And now click link. Now go to contacts. Open the contact. Navigate to the FSM tab. Select the contact. And now click link. And from here you can also view the record in FSM. And now let's see how you can push a record from Zoho Desk to Zoho FSM. Similarly, open accounts. Open the account. Navigate to FSM. Click Create New. And now go to Contacts. Open the contact. Navigate to Zoho FSM. Click Create New. Now a new contact will be created in FSM and both systems will be linked. This linking and pushing of customer data can also be done while creating a request, an estimate or a work order. Let's take a look at how that works. When you start creating, you'll notice that the account and contacts are not yet synced. In this case, you can link it from here itself. If an account already exists, first select the account. And click Link and Continue. Once the account is created, you can link the contact. Now click Link and Continue. And now you will be able to create the record. Now that we've seen how to link an existing record, let's also see how to create a new one. Click Create and Continue. Your company will be linked now. Click Create and Continue to link your contact. After this, you can proceed with creating the request, an estimate or a work order. And with that, we've seen how Zoho Desk and Zoho FSM can work together to manage your customer issues from support to service completion. Thanks for watching.